Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing about the strategy phase in cloud adaptation framework, which is the very first phase. So let's assume a scenario: a retail company wanted to migrate their e-commerce to a cloud, or maybe like some other workloads to a cloud. First of all, you should know why you want to move to cloud. So that is where you define your motivation. As a retail company, probably like you wanted to have a personalized online shopping experience, so you may wanted to migrate to cloud, or maybe like you wanted to reduce the overall cost, or it may be because of the compliance, or it may be like during the peak hours your online data center might not have the capability to handle the load. So you probably like you wanted to utilize the cloud to optimize your operational efficiency. So basically, like in the motivation, you have to conduct a series of workshop with your business leaders and understand why you want to really migrate to cloud, right? So that will be the input for your business outcome. So in the business outcome, you have to define like hey, like by migrating to cloud, this is what I wanted to achieve, right? So this one, it's basically like your needs, and this one is basically like what you want to achieve, right? So maybe like it goes hand in hand, like for instance the operational efficiency, it goes with the operational improvement, your online your current infrastructure is slow, and you wanted to increase the downtime during the peak hours by moving the workloads to cloud, or maybe like cost efficiency, so probably like you wanted to reduce your cost. So basically like you should know why you want to migrate to cloud, and by migrating to cloud what do you want to achieve. So and then like you put together a justification, so the justification should have both your motivation and what exactly the outcome you are expecting, and that will be presented, and if it is approved then you will move forward with the other phases. So there are quite a few things that we wanted to consider, right? So first of all, like cloud adaptation, it's not a 1 week or 1 month task. It definitely needs a lot of cost and time investment. That is something that you have to keep in your mind, and start your migration or adaptation journey with a clear business outcome in your mind. Mm, and Also like you must have a collaboration between IT and other business units, because like it definitely needs that. Without their support you won't be able to completely migrate your applications to cloud. And yeah, when you define your business outcome, you have to define a measurable outcomes, right? So like probably like I wanted to save the cost by 20 percentage, and I wanted to increase the traffic by 20 percentage, or whatever is that. Have a measurable outcome, so that you should know like where you are lagging, or are you already there with respect to your goals, right? And uh, speak in the business terms during the transition phase. That is most important, because like this definitely needs the business support. Use a kind of a structured framework, and that is what we are talking about here, right? Or if you have a dedicated template to document your process or progress, please use that. You always have to document every single step. And yeah, so like basically like the strategy, it's it just covers why you want to migrate, and by migrating what you are trying to achieve. That's all it covers. However, like Microsoft cloud adaptation frameworks talks about the financial consideration, time consideration, technical consideration, that we will be covering as a part of a plan rather than in the strategy. It's just to know why you want to migrate. By migrating, what do you want to achieve. Anyway, like we will discuss the other modules in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.